Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and complete guide on how to create a CSV file for Gmail. Whether you want to send bulk data or organize contacts efficiently, this step-by-step tutorial has you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be able to generate a CSV file in no time and attach it to your Gmail messages effortlessly. Let's dive in. Preparing your data in Google Sheets. First, you need your data ready. Open Google Sheets with the information you want to include. Make sure your data is well organized. Each column should have a clear heading, like name, email, and/or phone number. Proper organization is key because it prevents errors later when your CSV file is read by Gmail or other applications. Take a moment to double check for any typos or empty cells. A clean sheet makes the whole process smooth and hassle-free. Exporting the CSV file. Once your data is ready, it's time to convert it into a CSV file. Go to the File menu at the top of Google Sheets, hover over Download, and select comma-separated values.csv. Your CSV file will automatically download to your computer's default folder. And that's it. You now have a CSV file ready for Gmail. Easy, right? Attaching the CSV in Gmail. Next, head over to Gmail and log in if you haven't already. Click the Compose button to start a new email. Then, click the Attach Files icon, which looks like a paperclip. Now, just browse your computer, find the CSV file you just downloaded, and select it. Gmail will upload it as an attachment, and your email is ready to be sent with your organized data. And there you have it. That's a complete guide to creating a CSV file for Gmail in 2025. Super simple, clean, and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more easy tech guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.